Well, hello and good morning. Welcome to episode 20 of Diver Dave's Social Distancing Omelet Series. Today we're going to make a shellfish omelet. We have shrimp. We have shaved Parmigiano Reggiano. We have crab meat. We have bruschetta. We have chives. And we have 2 jumbo eggs. Oh no, I forgot something. I forgot today's special guest. Our new Italian butter. Yes, Delitia Italian butter from Parma, Italy. So let's have a lovely day of cooking. Okay, so now our special guest appearance is going to donate about 2 tablespoons, which we are gonna melt. Come on, special guest, stay where you're supposed to. In our lovely La Crusade frying pan. Let the butter melting begin. So while the butter is melting, I'm going to crack the 2 jumbo eggs into the bowl and wait for the butter to melt to add to the eggs and then beat them. Okay, so the butter has melted. Melted butter. And now I'm going to whisk it into the 2 jumbo eggs. Getting it nice and frothy, adding lots of air into the butter and egg mixture, combining all the ingredients. Okay, the pan is up to temperature. And now we're going to add the egg butter mixture. I like to get all of it out of the pan. And then, as always, what do I like to do? I like to dome it up. Okay, let's see how our omelet is doing. And she is looking as pretty as a picture. Let's see if we can get this in one shot. Got a little bit of stickage. Not so good. So we flipped her over. Now we're going to build the omelet. Want to move pretty quickly because it's cooking rather fast today. I don't know why. It could be the Italian butter. So I got half dozen shrimp, the lump crab meat, the bruschetta. I want this omelet to be very light today, not looking for a heavy feel. That's why not doing too much to it. Now the shaved Parmigiano Reggiano. And now I'm going to close her up. And a little piece for the chef. This butter is definitely browning faster. Now just dome it up to get everything to combine. Okay, now I'm going to open up the frying pan to see what I got. And that is looking beautiful. I'm not as impressed with this Italian butter. As you can see, it's burnt a little bit, which is different than my normal Irish butter. But look at that beautiful color in this omelet. Laid it up right here. You got that. And now I will put a little garnish of some chives just to add some color. Now look at this beautiful omelet. You have the lump crab meat, shrimp, bruschetta, and Parmigiano Reggiano. And now, for the first time on camera, I'm gonna take a bite. So now I'm gonna take a bite of this beautiful omelet. This is a very light and refreshing omelet. I know what I'm eating for breakfast. You enjoy yours.